So I am here at YouTube Studios once again, working on some tutorials for you guys. As you can see, I have my dress form back here, and I'm missing like the stepper for the dress form, so I need to go in the car and go get it so I can rise it up because it's looking very short and little right now. Then I have my sewing machine and my like a roller backpack where you can pack your sewing machine inside. And then I have all my tools and my ring light and stuff. Then they have lights here for me. So I'm about to make some adjustments so that I can brighten up the place a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys right here. So I'm just brightening up the set. Okay, so far I'm loving the way that it's looking. And so yeah, I just need to get my base, well, not my base, but my stepper for the dress form so I can rise it up. But that's how today is going, and I'm so tired because I unpacked everything by myself today. Usually I have someone on set with me that can help me, you know, bring in the materials and stuff that I need in order to set up for my filming. So I mean, it's been cool, but I'm like already tired by doing everything by myself. So just got some coffee from YouTube and some water. Time to work. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on how I achieved the look for this dress. So I used a commercial pattern. I used Butterick number 5748. And so I really love this pattern, but what I did was I tweaked the pattern just a little bit to achieve this look. So in the video, I'm going to show you how I kind of tweaked it to get this look that I have here. And also I have a tutorial on my website, which is fashionlife.com. And in that tutorial, I demonstrate how to drape the bodice and the bottom portion of your dress to get a look very similar to this. And not only do I show you how to drape, I also show you how to transfer that onto pattern paper so you can have your own custom pattern by draping on the dress form. So if you don't have any knowledge of draping, or you just want to learn, or you're just curious to watch, then please check that out on my website, which is fashionlife.com. And that's just a great way for you guys to support me as a creator here on YouTube. And yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys a little bit behind the scene of how I got this look for this dress. So let's get started.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Right now everything is pinned into place, nothing is sewn down. The only thing I did was sew the darts for the top bodice of the dress, but I think I'm gonna just go with the regular bottom and add in horsehair just to give it more structure at the bottom of the dress. And then this is what the back is looking. It's just pinned in place, nothing is sewn, as you can see right here. And I'm just gonna do a middle zipper. Because you can do a side zipper if you want to. There is seam allowance for you to add zipper on either side. So I'm going to go with a middle zipper. And then now I'm just going to start attaching the lining and then sew this piece together with the bodice. Hey guys, so if you haven't already, sign up to my website newsletter, which is fashionlife.com. That is where you can find exclusive videos such as interviews, behind the scenes with me working with YouTube and Google, plus a lot more. I also have online courses that you can sign up for. The link will be down below in the description box. Thank you.